Hello everybody, I'm super excited to have you here again. Today we will be learning a consonant sound. We'll learn how to make the sound, mention examples of words with the sound, and we will apply these words in sentences. So quickly, let's learn. Our sound for today is a voiceless consonant sound. Now it's voiceless because when we'll make the sound, you won't feel any vibration of your throat. The sound is sh. It's same as saying sh. Now let's make the sound together. Sh. Good job everybody. Now let's try making the sound placing our hands here. Sh. You didn't feel any vibration at all. But if you felt a vibration, it simply means you didn't get it right. So keep trying until you get it right. Now the sound sh is usually heard in words with sh. Examples are shop, shoe, shirt, brush, fish. It is sometimes heard in words with ch. Words like machine, chef, sachet. Words with ci make the sound sh. Facial, official, politician. It is also heard in words with si. Mansion, extension, suspension. Words with double si also make the sound sh. Mission, passion, confession, discussion. It is often heard in words with ti. Nation, station, action. Other words examples are sugar, shore, ocean, and many more examples as you can mention on your own. Now our sentences for today are: the short chef will brush his shoes. It is the official station for the nation. I will buy sugar and fish at the shop. She took a sachet of water. There is no passion in your action. And many more examples of sentences as you can make on your own. Now always remember, the best way to speak right is by applying your diction. And so we've come to the end of our lesson today. Thank you for your time. I'll see you some other time. Bye-bye.